So what you'll need is a couple of sweet bell peppers. I have 3 different colored ones because it presents better. A couple of yellow onions because these caramelize the best. Some olive oil. Of course, salt, some cayenne pepper, and some smoked paprika. First, let's cut up the bell peppers. Roughly going to just cut them in 2. Remove the seeds, of course. If you're cutting a bell pepper, make sure you're cutting it skin side down. It's way easier that way. So it looks something like that. Not too long, not too short. For the onions, cut the onions in 2, place them on the board, turn them 45 degrees and cut them into slices. This way the slices will be more even compared to if you would have cut them like this. Make sure to pinch them all apart before adding it to the pan. Make sure not to cry your eyes out while doing this as well. Jesus. Take a pan and put it on the fire. Make sure that your fire is quite high. Take olive oil and add a generous amount to it. Don't be afraid that your side dish will be a little bit too greasy. You can always strain it out in the end. Once the oil is hot, add in your veggies. Give everything a generous seasoning of salt. Take a spatula and mix everything up so that everything is nicely coated and the onions and the bell peppers are nicely mixed up. Now just flatten everything out. Don't stir it yet. Just wait for a couple of minutes and let everything get a nice color underneath. You can always check by lifting up a little bit of the veggies to see if there's color forming. If not, just pat them down and leave them be. As you can see, there's a little bit of color starting to form. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a mix and then just repeat the process. Lay them flat, wait until there's color, flip them over. And do that a couple of times until you have a nice golden brown color on all of your veggies. So the veggies have reached the color that I roughly want. I don't want to overchar them because they still need to cook through. What you do now is just lower your fire to low. Take a lid, or in my case some aluminum foil because I don't have a lid for this pan. Cover it up and let it cook until all of your veggies are done. Of course, stirring from time to time. When the veggies are almost done, season them with some cayenne pepper. I like them a little bit spicier, so I'm just going to add a little more. And of course, paprika powder for that color and the smoky flavor. Give everything a good stir and let it cook for a couple of more minutes. There you go. Perfect as a side dish or as a topping for some tacos. That's it.